Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very sad video, but it's also kind of happy towards the end because my E30 is officially sold. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so that's it, man. The car is pretty much ready to go home now, but we're not gonna stop the video just here. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the journey into the build of the E30 because it was such a fun one and you guys really got to see a full transformation from the exterior to the interior. So let's take a peek at that. Alright guys, like I said, the E30 is officially sold. It's going to a really good home. Guy should be here very shortly. Let's see what he has to say about the car. Let me introduce you to the new owner of the E30.
Hey, my name is John from the Bay, San Jose. Thank you for this sweet ride. Beautiful ride, man. So I respect the bill and I'm excited to keep her.
Nice. John here flew in from San Jose, fresh out of Vietnam, fresh out of Nam, came in, drove the car. He said, you know what, Oscar, this is it. And we did our paperwork and it's off, right? This is where the car is at now. It's finished, brand new. We just ceramic coated it. Custom M-Tech interior, renowned steering wheel. This thing is looking really good. We just added a little bit of sound system. We got a JL in here. And this thing is pretty much ready to go. What is, right now, just off the top of your head, top 3 favorite things about the E30?
Clean ride, nice swap, badass interior, nice wheels. Overall, everything is
okay, that's 5. We only asked for 3.
Oh,
but it's
fitment.
Fitment. Yeah, is the fitment okay? Tell me, I'm a little older. Okay, I don't know about like this new style fitment that everyone's talking about. So what? Rate this fitment. Rate this man's fitment, sir.
He's a fitment guy right here.
Okay.
I would say this,
sir.
This has to be like a 9 out of 10,
9
bro.
out of 10?
It looks good and it's functional.
Okay.
It's flush. It's like,
Yeah, flush.
look
It's
from the side,
yeah.
It's like a grown man fitment.
Exactly.
That's what I like.
It's a mature
Like
fitment.
like your credit's good.
Exactly.
It's functional.
Like you got functional credit.
Keep on and not die.
Yeah, exactly. It is a little spicy. It's a little spicy, but it's not too spicy. Like maybe you don't need to change your tires out every couple months spicy. You know, it's like maybe once a year you might have to, but it's not gonna be every couple months. Like, yeah. But yeah, I mean, this is a car, guys. It's M-Tech kit, M-Tech interior, M52 swap. It has pretty much everything that you would want. It's a late model E30, which is usually my favorite. I don't really like the ones with the big metal bumpers. This thing is pretty clean as it sits. Right now we're gonna do again another brief overview of the whole car, but it's pretty much ready to go. We're just gonna get this thing detailed and ship it off. All right guys, so now you guys saw how the E30 came to be now, right? How it got to where we're at. Now I'm here with the very talented, now I'm here with the very talented, Kendall, please remember when you edit this. Now I'm here with the very talented Kendall Matthews. And he's setting up the rig because we're just gonna get some last minute content with this thing. This thing's leaving tomorrow, so car's done. It's no longer mine. So technically I'm borrowing somebody's car to shoot content with that isn't mine. But I just want to get some last minute photos, last minute reels, just like little memories I have with the cars, you know, because sometimes I do get slightly attached to them because, you know, it's like it's a relationship I have with them. You know, you put your time into it and you see them blossom, and now she's so pretty over there, right? But we're gonna enjoy her one last time. All right, so last drive with the E30. She's looking really clean. She's looking really sexy. One of the last things that we did to her was throw a stereo system in here. And it's just very simple. Very simple. Just this JL that I had here at the shop. And 4 speakers. And it's all powered by a 5-channel amp. And there's no deck on it. Meaning like there's no like just standard traditional radio. I kind of have this carbon fiber block off plate on here, and what that does is it covers the old radio obviously, but what I do is I hook it up to Bluetooth. So I just go on here to my Bluetooth, just make sure it's on there. And I go to Bluetooth, and then it's connected to this Bluetooth receiver through JL Audio. Okay, so the plan is just to get some vibes with my boy Kendall, downtown Oceanside, just like some very dark night, not dark night like Batman, but just like dark at night, you know what I mean? Like just like old school 90s. I don't know, I'm kind of dressed like a drug lord from Miami, but I'm trying to go, I don't know, I'm trying to portray these vibes. So hopefully we can do that today.
To make some bangers right
Some
now.
bangers?
Some bangers.
The man is gonna make some bangers. You better watch out. Okay, we drove out to our first location right now. We are in beautiful downtown Oceanside. You know, being from here, it's changed a lot, but it's cool. But it's kind of like you know, Oceanside used to be like Cabo and all that shit. Now it's a little bit different. But we got our first location, doing some shots. The people here were so nice to us, let us use the spot. Now we're moving on. But dude, tell me like, planning that car's not there. Tell me like this right here is not like this shot. Alright guys, this is the second location. We're just doing something quick. We gotta be in and out of here because this is a busy intersection, but this thing is looking sick. I'm really gonna miss just having this thing at my disposal. And that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was, to be honest, this was one of my favorite cars that I've owned. It was probably one of the most reliable cars. This car like literally never died on me. Like put the key in and turn on, it would start every time, which was not always the case with all our cars, with all my cars. But I already have something to replace it. So you guys have to stick around for the next video to see exactly what I got to replace this thing. And it's pretty heat. It's the only clue I can give you guys, and if you guys follow me on IG, which I'm gonna drop my link right here, I've been posting some stories about very similar cars. So if you do follow me on IG, you probably already know what it is. Like the new car sound? No, you can't edit that out, Kendall. You can't tell them what it is. Oh, you gotta bleep it. It's a bleep. You have to bleep out, Kendall.
Yeah, I got you.
Bleep all that, Kendall. Don't let them sit. But on the next video, you're gonna see some heats. We're gonna do get a little bit more editing into it, and kind of really show you, because this is a car that I've always wanted, right? It's there's a lot of versions of it. This is not like my top car from this brand that I would get, but it's definitely introduction level for me. And I think that we'll be able to do something fire with it. And I'm very excited to show you guys this build up next. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is not the end of my BMW journey. I know I just sold the M3, now the E30. I have no more BMWs in my stable. Even my wife's you know, E92 wagon is gone as well. So it's like there's no BMWs in the fleet right now. But that does not mean that I'm not a BMW boy at heart, and that there's just like I'm not gonna get any BMWs in the future. This is not that. This is just a little break while this year we do R34 and this next car. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you guys watching these builds, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.